You can feel really amazing in your body. Like, you are meant to feel incredible. We had both been exercising and training regularly for years, and we felt like a mismatch of all the effort we were putting in through exercise and training and not seeing the results that we wanted, and nutrition was the missing piece. And when I reflect back on life, I'm like, life before I knew about nutrition and how everything works in my body, and then life after, because it's night and day. That was the initial start of, we need to get this information out to everybody.
This program is for anyone who feels like they have done all of the research and still don't have the answers. It's really for individuals who feel like they are tired of shooting in the dark and they want something that's going to be very specific and bio-individual to them, as well as their lifestyles, their personalities, the kind of activities they have, and they really want to learn to feed their unique individual body for the rest of their life.
Our flagship primary program is called Awaken Your Nutrition.
All right, let's get our meal planning on.
That includes a 12-week nutrition course that you get for a lifetime.
And that is supported by one-on-one coaching, where you work with one designated coach to really fine-tune your specific macronutrients, your specific nutritional intake requirements, your specific movement schedule and meditation schedule and habit schedule.
From there, you have a beautiful optional involvement with our online community. So we offer 15+ weekly live classes through our All Access Pass. The Green Door Life foundational program is nutrition science education. So there's no restrictions. There is no, oh, you have to cut carbs. It is based and rooted in nutrition science. When you prioritize your own health and fitness and nutrition, you're going to have so much more to give in your work life, in your relationships. It only enhances every other area of your life. And to have that comfort and confidence in your physical body is freaking priceless. So if you found any of this interesting and you would like to learn more about our own transformations and the incredible results that our clients have experienced, click the link below to watch our free nutrition and physique masterclass.